Hello everyone, here's Uncle Frank again, hoping everyone's alright. And today we're going to learn how to draw Rick Sanchez. Well, it's gonna be actually one of the simplest characters we have ever done here. And well, for now we're gonna take it slow, and we're just going to start with his face. Just the head is gonna be alright for now. So, just to show you how simple it's gonna be, we're gonna start with this oval. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to do it now. Take this chance and subscribe to our channel. Your subscription is essential. Like the video and be part of our community of friends. Okay, now that we have the oval, here's what we're gonna do. We're going to divide the face in the middle like this here. Okay, I think that's about it. And then I'm going to mark the place where his nose is gonna be. Let me tell you, there isn't much cuteness about Rick, so his forehead is gonna be really small. So we know that his nose is gonna be somewhere around here. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start and make a letter U, just to show me where his nose is gonna be now. Then from here, we're going to draw the eyes right above this line that we had done before. But here's the thing. Before we start, I have to remark that there is a small distance between them, so they're not gonna go past this point. Right here, I make the first circle. It can be big. And I'm gonna make this line here, just to make sure they're gonna be about the same size. And then I'm gonna draw the other circle. Okay, here it is. So we're gonna start working on his mouth, and we're gonna start with this big curve here, right under the nose. Just notice there isn't much distance between the mouth and the nose over here. Okay, now that we have this, we're going to bring it down. And make it as wide open as we can. Okay, that's fine. So as you can see, his face looks a bit round, a bit too much, but don't worry, we're gonna work on that in a minute. So his lips are gonna be around here. And here. Fine. So as we see, we're gonna leave some space for his lips now, and let's make his head a bit narrower. And then, okay, so the rest of the oval can be just like what we had planned before. Fine. His chin is just gonna be a curve coming from his lower lips, from here, and we're just gonna follow the oval. That's it then. his neck's gonna be really thin. So using the central line. Make a curve on top of it. Okay, from here, this is what we're gonna do. Pull down a line here, another line on the other side. So here we're going to take it from the intersection, and that's a line going down and to the side. So let's do the same with the other shoulder. Line going down, and then okay. Alright, it looks a bit off. Let me just pull it a little bit more. These two more lines to show that he's wearing a lab coat. Alright, so what do we have now? Here's the thing. There are a couple of things we have to do. First, it's his teeth. He's gonna have something like 8 teeth on top. So we're gonna start from the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. His teeth are really small and they don't have to be perfect. It's just lots of letters U. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the other side. It's only gonna have he's only gonna have 6 here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Crazy tongue coming out. And let's not forget his dribble. Okay. So we're gonna take a look at his eyebrow, because it's only one. What's it called again? I don't know. It's a joined eyebrow. And then we're gonna make his curve above the eyes, not very far. And that's it. That's what it's gonna look like. So what do we need now? So we need some wrinkles under his eyes. It's a curve. Another curve right here. Okay. His eyes are just gonna be 2 splats. I find it usually funny when I see the cartoon. It's that his eyes are not circular. So it's like a fried egg or something. Okay, so from here we don't have much more to do. We have to draw his hair, and we're gonna start small from this point. Just pointy shapes. 1, 2, and it grows bigger as we approach the top of the head. 3, 4, 5. It's gonna get a bit circular, so okay. Getting smaller again. Okay. Still have the ears to make. So there is a curve. It's just gonna be a curve. The other one is the same. Alright. So now let's get the marker. And for this one I'm going to draw thicker lines on the outside and thinner lines on the inside. Alright, so it's time to erase the guiding lines. That's it, our Rick Sanchez is ready. I hope you guys have liked the video. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to draw your favorite characters. Stick around and explore the channel, I'm sure you're gonna find something you like. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.